अपने बाजार के दायरे को बढ़ाने और ग्राहकों की नवीनतम आवश्यकताओं की आपूर्ति को पूरा करने के लिए सेल आईएसपी हमेशा से ही नए उत्पादों को विकसित करता रहा है। ऐसे चुनौतीपूर्ण माहौल में चुनौतियों को अवसर में बनाते हुए सेल आईएसपी ने केबल आर्मर क्वालिटी वायर रॉड जैसे नए उत्पाद को लॉन्च किया है। इस नए उत्पाद को लॉन्च कर सेल आईएसपी ने अपने उत्पाद दायरे को बढ़ाया है। यह एक प्रीमियम गुणवत्ता की वायर रॉड है जिसमें विद्युतीय प्रतिरोधक का खासा ध्यान रखा गया है, जो ग्राहकों की आवश्यकताओं पर खरी उतरी है। यह एक स्टील वायर आर्मर रॉड है जो मैकेनिकल सुरक्षा प्रदान करती है, जिससे यह ज्यादा प्रतिबल सहन कर अत्यधिक प्रभावी होती है। अनेक तकनीकी बाधाओं को पार करते हुए सेल आईएसपी ने इसे आंतरिक संसाधनों से विकसित किया है, जिस पर अनेक तकनीकी परीक्षणों के पश्चात इसे बाजार में लॉन्च किया गया है। इस नए प्रीमियर गुणवत्ता की वायर रॉड का 170 टन उत्पादन एवं प्रेक्षण किया जा चुका है। ग्राहकों के सकारात्मक फीडबैक के पश्चात और भी नए ऑर्डर प्राप्त कर सेल आईएसपी इसके और अधिक उत्पादन की तैयारी कर रहा है। इस बारे में बताते हुए एजीएम आरसीएल श्री सैकत कुमार दे ने कहा,
Cable armored quality wire rods is a product of the premium segment going for armoring of the cables, electrical cables. They have a important parameter, intrinsic material property in terms of very low electrical resistivity, and the customers demand electrical resistivity less than 14 to the power 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter. So it was a challenge for ISP that we are trying to develop this grade for the first time, and we have had an extensive brainstorming session wherein we have discussed the process parameters to be followed right from the steel making stage to the rolling stage. The challenges of this grade include producing very low carbon steel as well as very low silicon levels. The process chart was prepared based on the discussions, and trial hits were taken up at ISP SMS. Based on the process parameters, the heats were monitored right from the steel making stage to secondary refining and continuous casting, and up to the quality of the billets. Thereafter, the billets were rolled in our wire rod mill and into 5.5 mm wire rods. And these materials, when then subjected to various testings, including mechanical properties, tensile properties, microstructure, grain size, as well as the electrical resistivity, which is the most critical parameter for this grade. We have measured the electrical resistivity of this material using a digital micro ohm meter and have achieved a value as low as 13 to the power 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter as compared to the requirement of 14.5. It was really a big improvement for us in terms of product development, having a new product in our product basket. And this material, this trial material, around 170 tons of this material was produced, and it was supplied to two different customers at Jaipur and Indore. They have used this material, tested it at their own site, and used this material and have absolutely find everything okay in terms of electrical resistivity and other properties. And based on this feedback, they have placed orders for another 3,000 tons, which we are planning to make in this month itself. Today itself, we are planning to have sequence of cable armored quality, that is CAQ, in our SMS, and we'll be rolling that material in this month.
विश्वजीत पंजा, सीनियर मैनेजर आरसीएल।
Actually, CAQ means cable armor quality. We have tested for physical properties, mechanical properties, and resistivity test, as well as microstructure metallographic analysis. In physical properties, we have achieved as per customer requirement, and as well as the resistivity test also we have passed. As for customer requirement, the resistivity requirement was 14 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter. We achieved lower than that, 13 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter. And for microstructural studies, we are seeing here that the ferrite percentage is there, and some retained austenite is also observed, and martensite is also observed in the microstructure, and some benite also observed. That means with this microstructure, we can achieve the mechanical as well as resistivity properties, and which satisfy the customer requirement, and the customer feedback was also very good. They appreciate about the product quality.
Sri Rajiv Khanda, Senior Manager RCL.
The main property, that is resistivity, that we are achieving through keeping the manganese and carbon and silicon level in the lower side as per the specification, and accordingly in close casting mode we are achieving the longer sequence as well as almost 8 to 10 hits in a sequence, and trial hit we have taken in last week, and successfully we have rolled and sold it to the customer, and we have got the good feedback from the customer, and now we are capable to produce almost 5,000 to 6,000 ton per month